Alright, so today we will create a data frame with the help of dictionary. So first of all, let's just import pandas because we will be needing pandas. Alright, import pandas as PD, and then let's create a data set. I would say a data set, not a data frame, because data frame is specifically a domain of pandas. So how do I create a data frame from dictionary? So first of all, I will create a dictionary. So I will write here my DICT, suppose. This is how I name it. And this is the common, curly braces to start your dictionary with. Now Python recognizes that you are now creating a dictionary. And its syntax is key and value. So I have to write here key separated by a colon and then followed by value. Okay, this is the basic syntax of a dictionary. So I'll convert this into a raw so that you don't have to run this. So now let's create my real data set, and I created my dict, then I give the curly braces to start, then I pass suppose names as first key, and then I pass a list of names. Suppose again I'm giving the same name as in the previous tutorial, that we've created a data frame with the help of list. And just to make things easier, we are taking very simple data frame, and just like 5 names, right, and then I would take here age. The age could be now numbers again in the range of suppose 15 to 20. All right, and this could be here. All right, so this is how I run this dictionary. Okay, I have not given separation comma. So now when you will write the type of my dictionary, it will tell you what type is this dictionary. What type is this? This is a dictionary. Okay, now let us create a data frame from this dictionary. Create a data frame with the help of pandas. Now what I do is I create an object. Suppose that object is df, and then what I do is I do pd. That means I invoke pandas. Then I write here pd.data frame, and now what I want in the data, I would pass my dictionary, and suppose I just pass this, and I just I'm not giving columns as of now because I want to show you something. And then just see df. By default, it assigns names and age as the columns. Now suppose I just give columns again, and let us give different columns. Okay, let's for the for checking whether it replaces that or not. So I give here age in numeric, I mean in caps lock, and here names in numeric, I mean capital letters. So let's see. Alright, can you see? It has not given me the data beneath that columns. Why? I don't know. So df dot head, if I just tell it, so it is giving me that bound method. Now this is n-dimensional nd frame dot head of empty data frames, names and age. So it is not recognizing this thing. It is out of bound. So we have to give the same key that we have passed there, and now you can see we got it. Okay, so keep on experimenting and keep on creating such mistakes, because this will help you clear the basic how Python is understanding your code. Even the slightest comma is being interpreted by Python. It is so sensitive. So this is how you create a data frame with the help of a dictionary in Python. Thank you.